Hello guys, welcome and welcome back. In this video, we will be talking about how we can quick start Apache Airflow under 2 minutes. So I have created this website where you can copy all the code and everything. And there is a repository that I have created where I have kept all the files that you need. So we will start by cloning this repository and then moving inside it. So you can do it on Linux, Mac or Windows, doesn't matter. So first thing is to clone and then move inside it. So now I am currently inside this repository. Now you can see it is showing a Docker compose file, a Docker file, some plugins and some other things like readme and config. Once it is there, we will copy .env.example to env. So you cannot see it here, but now you should be able to see it inside this. Let me show you what it is. So now you can see we have Airflow ID, UUID. This is something that we need to execute it and then give permission in Docker. Then Airflow image, you can change this image to any. Currently it is 3.2.2. Then what is the project directory, which is current, and then username and password. Other configuration we will add slowly, but right now we have these. Then there is another config folder. Inside this, we have Airflow config file. This is also another thing that you should look into, but currently I'm not focused because it's a quick start video. I'm just going to copy and then now you should see we have .env file created which will be used in Docker Compose. Once it is there, you can just start Airflow in it. So my Docker is probably not running. So what I will do, I will just start Docker. And now it is starting. So it will initialize the Airflow. And once it is initialized, we will start our Airflow. So it is going to do all the migrations, everything, all the permissions and everything. It is being added to the database. Now you can see it is saying user is created with role admin. The username is Airflow that we kept in the env. So that is done. Now, once it is done, you can just run docker compose up -t, which will execute all the things, which will run all the things. And once it is running, you should be able to open it with localhost colon 8080 and then airflow. This is our Airflow. It is running. We will talk about DAGs and everything in upcoming videos. This is mostly focused on your local development environment. So it is a quick start video. Once it is there, we will speak on DAGs. If you like this video, please do like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye.